One, today I'll be showing you how to add a customer asset. On Servcraft, an asset is defined as an item that you would like to monitor the maintenance or repair of over time. For example, an air conditioning unit, a refrigerator, or a generator. A huge benefit of this is to be able to keep track and maintain assets over time. In order to do this, you first need to make sure that it is enabled. So what we're going to do is we're going to scroll here to the top right hand corner and enter into our settings. This will open up the Jobs tab and the job statuses. Just above the job statuses, you can see a few tabs here. What we are looking for is our Workflow tab. When you enter into that, you will see your default workflow that is set. We'll click into there and look here at the bottom where it says Customer Asset Selection. It is currently set to disabled, and we want to ensure that it has been set to both. Now, we just have to make sure that we save. Perfect. So now let's add that customer asset. To do this, we're going to scroll to the left-hand side and select our Customers tab. Now let's select our customer. We have our customer here, Ben Smith. If we enter into Ben Smith, we'll go here to the right-hand side and look at our options button. When you click there, you can scroll all the way to the bottom and click on Create Asset. It will take us to this page where we are able to now create an asset for Ben Smith. Now let's select our customer. Remember, it's Ben Smith. It will fill in Ben Smith's contact details, and where it says select location, this of course is the location of the asset. So let's select Ben's location. Once we click here, we'll get a drop down of all the inventory items that currently exist on our system. If the inventory item that you would like to link to the customer is not on your system, you can click on Add New. Otherwise, we can select one of the inventory items that appears here. If you have an asset or serial number that you want to input, you can do so over here. Otherwise, an automatic one will be generated for you. So let's click on Create. There we go. Our asset has been successfully created. Make sure that all the changes you make, you save. Now let's go see what that looks like. Now we're going to go into our Jobs tab and go look for our customer, Ben Smith. There we go. We have quite a few jobs. So let's just click into the first one over here. When you scroll, you'll see a new feature that says Add Customer Asset. If we click on that, we'll be able to see a drop down of all the assets that currently belong to Ben Smith. We can click on one of those and add it to the job. And just like that, we have created a customer asset.